Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour of 4 different apartments in Uptown Dallas. These are all around the $2,000 range, some slightly below and some that are around $2,200. I've been getting so many requests lately for high rises with floor to ceiling windows. So 3 out of 4 of those are going to be high rises with floor to ceiling windows. And then the other one is a mid-rise building. Okay, so let's get into the video. So I'm at apartment number 1. I really respect the fact that they have a cappuccino machine.
Here are a few of the amenities before we head up to the apartment.
Bueno, sí. Camina. Rico, rico, rico. Y como dice mi coro que sigue ahí. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Escucha. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Melodía, melodía. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Ay, escucha mi salsa ahora. Ahora estamos gozando hasta para bailar, para gozar, qué rico está.
So 24-hour concierge. Cool. It's a little work area.
And then yeah, just look at the location. It's super, well, it's a great location.
When you first walk into this apartment, you have a coat closet right here on the right, which is actually a pretty decent size. There's also another closet in the bedroom. Right here is the kitchen with an island in the center. And then the fridge, or getting a new one actually. Here's the living space and the floor to ceiling windows. One thing to note about these high-rise buildings is that they're enforced with steel, so that generally keeps the noise at a minimum between each floor. Also, the American Airlines Stadium is directly across the street, so if you're big into sports like basketball, all the games are held here. There are also a lot of major artists that perform there, so if you're really into music, then you can just walk right across the street to see your favorite artist. Here is the closet, which is not quite a walk-in, so it's pretty small. So if you wanted more closet space, you definitely have to go to a bigger floor plan. Here is the bathroom that has a nice glass shower and the granite countertops. Both their gym and pool are on one of the top floors, if not the very top floor, so you're going to get these incredible views while you work out with a ton of natural light. There's also a separate studio in here for cardio with bikes. They have classes on the screen. Got a couple machines in there. And here is the pool. So you get amazing views. It was actually Labor Day, so there are people having some parties up here until it started raining. This is their Sky Lounge, which is also on the same floor. So you can bring your guests up here to hang out, or you can come up here and work. This space is open during the day.
So this is the E floor plan. This one is right around 2,000. We're on the 13th floor, right? 13th floor. Good amount of kitchen space. The island right here, and then washer and dryer. Oh no, you're good. Living space, and then you get these beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows with a gorgeous city view. Wow. Got the vaulted ceilings, balcony, and then bathroom right here. Stand-up shower and walk-in closet. And this building was built in 2015. So it's not as new as the other ones, but you still get these beautiful features. And the price is like so much better.